If one of the things that's stopping you from creating that video and starting up your YouTube channel is your background, then this video is for you. The thing I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to help you to create any background of your choice and start up your YouTube channel and create that video. If your background is not pleasing enough or beautiful enough, just stick to the end of this video and I'll be teaching you how to do this with just 2 softwares, and they are completely for free and you can do them on your mobile device. Once again, welcome back and thank you for clicking on this video. Now I'm going to be showing you, just as the caption said, as the title of this video said, how you can achieve any background of your choice. So right now, before we start the video, I'll be telling you 3 things that you need to put in place before you can start changing your background. Number 1 is you should make sure that you are filming on a tripod. Don't have someone hold the camera for you, otherwise the camera might be dancing. Even though you are shooting with your mobile phone or with your camera, any of the above. Like for this video now, I'm filming it on a tripod and with my phone. That's why it's not shaking. So make sure you have your tripod. You can get cheap tripods online so that you can start your channel. Secondly, make sure you have enough light coming at you. Maybe you should be close to a window, open a window, or you on your natural light, or use your ring light, any of the above. But make sure your background is not dark so that your video will be bright enough. Then thirdly, you should make sure that you are not moving too much, because if you move too much, the images might be fluctuating and you might expose yourself, and that's not what you want. So let's move straight into the video. First, you come to your Play Store, you search Canva, the application will appear, then you install it. In my case, I'll open it because it's already installed. So right now, what we'll be doing in this application is to get the background we'll use for our video. So click on this plus sign below, you search YouTube thumbnail. This is to give you the actual size of the video, the actual size of the YouTube video. Now you click on this plus sign below, then you click on elements down here, then you see AI image generator. You click on generate your own. Then it will give you a box here to explain the kind of image you want the AI to generate for you. So here I'll be using let me use a white YouTube studio with a YouTube logo on it. So you click on generate image and watch what the image the AI will generate for you. So in case you don't like the image, there are ways of generating new ones. So these are the images it generated. You can click on generate again if you don't like this. You sticking around with this video up to this point shows that you are deriving value from it. So kindly support us by subscribing to our channel. Please help us like, share, turn on your notification bell so that whenever we post a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. So once you have the image you want to use, you click on the image and save it. You fill it up to the size of the frame. And then you save. You click on this button here to save it. Download. It takes a few seconds to download based on your network, but just be patient, it will download. Right now, move to the next software, which is CapCut. You can equally download it from Play Store if you don't have it. Click on New Project. Then, first of all, you select your background as the image, as the first video. You add. Then you now click on overlay below here. Add overlay. Then you add the video you want to use. As you place the video on it, you drag the background to be the same size with your video. Now you click on your video and you scroll to where you see background. Remove background. Remove background. You click on auto remover. It automatically removes the background for you. You can zoom it in or out depending on how you want it to be. Also the same with the background. Now that you've gotten what you want, let's make the background blurry. You click on this back button, then you come to effects, video effects, and move to lens. See lens over here. Click on lens. Then you look for blur. Now we've clicked on blur. Then to adjust it, you can either increase it or reduce it. So I think I'll need it at about 17. Right now you drag the blur effect all over the whole video. That is it. Now you click on export, which is this arrow sign above. I shoot on 4K, so I also drag it to 4K, 30 frames, then done. You save your project to your device. So once again, thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I am the Best Fashion Tutorials. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post content like this, you are going to be the first to be notified. See you in my next video. Thank you.